What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. How are you all? Thanks for coming. Hello, Pizza Pet. Welcome. Hi, Xlox. Hello. Saka, welcome. Kaira, hey guys. A lot of you here. Lucky. Hi guys. Insane. Thanks for joining, all of you. I0, Florian is here. Let's go. Let's go. Ice Killer over on Twitch. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. Yo, when the editor tutorial, I will start working on it probably tomorrow and with proper editing, and so it is good tutorial, so it will take a while. I0 mining diamonds. Yeah, we're going to play Minecraft. You finally made it. Thanks for coming. Luan, welcome. Matej, yeah. Ice Killer, yeah, I'm multi-streaming on Twitch also. So if you guys prefer Twitch, I'm also live there. You can find the link in my description. Hi Gold, what's up, guys? Insane, thanks for coming. So how are you guys? Today we are going to fix some stuff in the UI for the building menu, so we can assign the images. As you saw, I'm not sure if you saw the new devlog or if you only watched the streams, but there was only an X showing, so we need to assign like this icon for every buildable object and show it there. And then when we get this done, we will move to the ores. I will try to make the resource, like different kind of ores. And if we have time today, I would love to make like a smelter, or even just start of the smelter. So yeah, that's the plan for this devlog. Spiky E, welcome. Zayflight, welcome. Zayfight, welcome to the stream. Where are you from, if I can ask? I'm from Slovakia, Piso. I'm from Slovakia. Thanks for being here. And also, thanks for liking the stream. The stream already has 10 likes, so it's insane. Thank you guys. I just started and it has 10 likes. Appreciate it. Tak ciao, yeah. Welcome, Pizza. You just finished working, so it's great that I started. That's cool. Thanks for joining. Oh, $20 from Ice Killer. Insane, man. I don't know what to say. Thanks so much. It really means a lot. Insane. Thank you. Glad you are enjoying the streams. Let's go. Yeah, true. Oh man, you can't wait to see the new updates. Yeah, we should probably start. So welcome to Unity. And also, if you are not part of our Discord, I highly encourage you to join. You help me a lot with the UI. I know a lot of you are in there, but if you want and if you use Discord, it's a great place. There are also some notifications about my videos and stuff like that. So thank you guys. I'm gonna make some popcorn while I start. Okay. Okay. Again, Ice Killer, thanks for the donor. It really helps with the game. Okay. Let's jump into the game. Okay, so basically it's at the same state that you saw in the devlog. Yesterday I was editing the devlog, and today I was just working for my full-time job. So no new progress, but hopefully today we will make some. Will the game be multiplayer? Nope. Nope, it's only single player. Unfortunately. Okay. Let's start. Let me open my beautiful building browser. Let's dock it here. I love this thing. And let's find buildable data. And first we are going to do the item. I can probably remove these ones. The item image, so we can show it in the menu. How hard is it to implement multiplayer? Well, Florian, the thing is, I don't know. I never tried doing multiplayer in Unity. I made 2 games, I think, in Unreal that were multiplayer, but I'm scared to jump into like big project with multiplayer. Even the scope of a single player game with single player survival game is pretty big, so I don't want to overscope it because we won't ever finish the game, and I would love to get it out so you can guys play it. And I'm not sure how hard is it in Unity. You are making multiplayer game, man. Okay, cool. Good luck, man. Good luck. Let's add a public sprite, because it sprite, please. Because it will be image and it will be called building icon. Yes. So now when you go back to the editor and I select, for example, the balloon object, we should be able to add a building icon. That's cool. That's the first step. So we can assign for all of our building objects some icons. And now I will show you it in game so you know what I'm talking about. When you go to build menu, I want to replace this X with the icon of the building object. So you have like this preview, how does foundation look, how does stairs look, and stuff like this. And Gold, what multiplayer game are you making? I would love to hear more. Okay, let's go to building manager, I think. Build manager. Nope. Smitu, welcome to the stream. Thanks for following, my man. Build menu manager. Well, I'm bad at naming things. This is probably it. Yes, build menu root, build mode root. Yeah, tab manager. Okay, this is it. Hey, will you be making any wild animals like rabbit or something? If we're going to African buck animals, like, okay, I will for sure search them. Cool ideas. Yeah, we want to do some animals, so ideas are appreciated. Like, to have some variety is always good. Okay, let's start. Okay, so when I do the button, set building types, maybe I can change just this button. Let's see. Text type, building UI button. Okay, we for sure need image, and it will be called building image. Let's just save it and see if we are doing the right thing. Would you mind if I be chatting using Slovak language instead of English? No, you can chat in Slovak, but I will reply in English. Build menu, build button, yes. So as you can see, we need to change this. Let's rename it to building image, and ingredient panel is to the right. Okay, and this building image, we will change this sprite to whatever. Cool. Let's assign it because we will forget, as always. Building image is this one. So we have it here. when I do set the building types, I instantiate these buttons. So I get the building data right here, and I can initialize all the stuff in this function. So probably we should, the only thing we need to do is building image dot sprite, and we will set it to data. And if you remember the stuff we added, it will be building icon. Yes. Probably that should be it. Let's check. Hey Damus, we are here. Welcome to the stream. You basically didn't miss anything. We're just starting. Building button. Okay, let's assign some stuff. For example, our foundation will for now be this bag. Why not? The railing will be beat. Why not? And some random for planter box. Let's assign carrot. Why not? Let's see if it works. Okay, now foundation, great. Railing, great. And let's see the planter box. It's working. We have some errors, so we need to check what is this. Building image dot sprite. Data.building icon. Okay, I think. Why do we have this? Some are not defined. Yeah, but I think it will just use the default sprite. Okay, let's assign all of them. It will take a while, but I need to check if we assign all, it will be fixed. So let's just chat together while I do this. The button is weird icon, but it's okay. Seed, why not? Just some random images. Brick wall, yes, good enough for motor engine. Lock. Foundation is assigned, planter box is assigned, railing is assigned, stairs. Minus icon. All of these icons will be made by my friend who is also working on the project with me. So I basically do not have to worry about this. I just want to check if it gives us errors. Okay, that's it. Hello Ember Dragons, welcome to the stream. Let's see. Yeah, it was not. I think all of them are assigned. Yeah. It's different error. This is always assigned, yeah. Let's just delete it if, let's check if the error is still there. Can you play this game on Linux or on Mac? I will try to do the builds. I tried it on my Linux and it seemed to be working. There is just one bug when moving. So we need to check that. But other than that, I think it's working. I didn't try the Mac build, but it should be the same. I will try. I will try to make it. Yeah, so we don't have it null no more, but still. Okay, let's just do if, just to be sure. Oh, I know what is causing errors. Oh my god, I know. I know. Maybe. Let's see. Let's open the HUD, build menu, build root, nope, here, build button. This one is causing errors, I think. It doesn't have image, so let's do check if building image is not null, and they should fix it, yeah. Because I also use, I will show you in the game, I also use this button on the top right here. Oh, I'm showing you the screen, but you see it top left. Okay, so that was the problem, no more errors, and we have nice icons. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Random stuff, but it's working. Okay. And if you guys worry about the empty space, there will be requirements. I just for testing filled only these ones, like the foundation requires 5 wood, and stairs require wood logs and carrot seeds, but these will have for sure some recipes. I just didn't wanna think about them. Can you try to make it VR? No. I don't own a VR headset. I would love to like try it in VR, but I'm scared. Oh, someone actually coding live, not just plugging in store. Yeah. Sini, welcome to the stream. Welcome, man. And yes, I didn't use any assets for, to this point. My nickname was Firm Gaming VR at the last stream. Oh, cool. You're on my Trello. Cool, cool, cool. Hey, Aya, welcome to the stream. I remember you from the last streams. Welcome. When did you start learning Unity? Oh, a long time ago, I think. Well, there was some pauses, so I started learning like 8 years ago, or maybe 9 at this point. But I got these long pauses in between. I also switched game engines. I was trying Unreal for maybe a year, and then just recently switched back to Unity. So like pure time while learning, I'm not sure. Can you explore the islands that are in the distance? Yeah. That's like the whole point of this game, that you can explore this. I can build engine. Engine has this brick wall, why not? And when I go there I can, well, enemies start to chase me, but I can basically explore all of them. There will be some different variations, but yeah, you can even fuel the ship, build it while it's moving. I only have wood for one foundation. I can do some railings so I don't fall. And we are getting closer. So you can find some resources. You will find the ores that we will do in this live stream. You can find them on these islands. I'll just add fuel and let's go there. I will catch up with chat. What engine do you recommend for multiplayer FPS? I have zero idea. Like I said, I don't have enough, I don't know much about multiplayer, so I'm sorry. I can't help you. Nice work, keep it up. Tjara? Coleman, welcome to the stream and thank you. Thanks a lot. Why did you come back to Unity? You didn't like UE? I really liked Unreal. I just wanted to do something fresh, and Unity was like this great choice, I think. I also don't really like C++. Well, I don't know C++. Maybe if I learn it, it can be better, but I enjoy C#. So Unity is like better in this way. I also enjoyed Blueprints. I made almost the whole RPG in Blueprints. But yeah, I wanted to code. Like I work as a full-time developer, so I code every day in work, and I wanted to do like coding also like game coding. It's coming along. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. I did a lot of improvements. Yeah, I'm glad you like them. Yeah, basically you have some idea about the like basic stuff, but a lot of work ahead of us. But I think we are on the right path. It's coming along. It's coming along, guys. Okay, we should probably start with the ores. Let's go back to the ship. Yeah, here. I will copy this boulder. Yeah, I will copy this boulder. And modify it a bit. Well, no, I'll do it like this. Delete this, and let's go to prefabs. Yeah, building. Boulder, let's duplicate this and call this iron ore, for example. Let's open it. Let's adjust. We will have completely different like model, but I don't have it now, so I will just add some random cubes. Let's maybe change the material to something whitish. Yeah, this is good. I'll just rescale it and do some little dots. Okay, this is our iron ore. It's pretty, I know. It's really great. Those trees are thick. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Okay guys, thanks for 18 likes already. Insane. Thank you guys for liking the stream. Okay, so we have iron ore. Okay, we have a resource script. We need to create a new resource. Let's go to the, I don't know where, here, resources object, and let's again duplicate our stone boulder. We will just change it to iron ore. This is our resource, so we can define all of the stuff here. When you look at it, can you see this? Yes, yes you can. We will rename it to iron ore. Health will be free for the testing. Wait, my keyboard is running out of battery. Okay, it's charging, very good. Oh, I just saw that you put Dani's channel in the description. It's one of my preferred channels, but yours... Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I like Dani's content. He is insane. He's doing a lot of good stuff. 22 likes. Wow, insane. Thank you, guys. When you start the game, will you have the balloon? No, you will have to craft the balloon. That's like, you will start on island, and your first like training and tutorial is crafting island. And then when you craft it, you can move on to another islands and explore. And will your ship tilt to one side if it's heavier? No, it won't tilt. And enemies like shark, we don't know. We basically don't know. I would love to have some like danger in sky, but probably not. Like flying sharks, not the best idea. And maybe some like annoying birds or something like, I don't know. For now it will be peaceful in the sky, so you can just chill a bit, and then when you explore islands and some dungeons, there will be danger there. 23 now. I'm seeing still 22. I'm slow. This is recorded to my main channel, so if you miss this live stream, you can always, if you have to go, you can always watch the replay. Little dragons maybe. Dragons are too hard to make. I'm scared of animating that stuff. I don't think this prefab is used. I will leave it there. I will leave it blank for now. And here we can define what tools you can mine this iron ore. So for now it will be just with pickaxe, but for example for the next ore, maybe copper or titanium and diamonds, you can put multiple here. For example, stone axe will do damage of 1, so it will deduct 1 health on impact, but we can have like iron axe will do damage of 3 because it's better and stuff like this, so we can make the progression here. For now there will be only 1 tool and it will do 1 damage for now. Okay, so we have to hit it 3 times to get the item, and item is defined here. We can have multiple drops and even their probability. So for example, trees don't always drop seeds, they have set probability of I think 50% for now, so you can define it here. Let's close this and we need to create items. So inventory objects, let's again duplicate the rock, I think. Yeah, let's duplicate the rock, call it iron, raw iron, because remember we are going to do some sort of furnace like in Minecraft. Raw iron. ID, we don't use it, I can remove it. Item name, iron, raw iron. For now, the icon, I don't know. The icon will be this water drop, because why not? And prefab to represent our iron ore, it can be this, okay. And we can stack 64 iron ores. That's good. So let's go back to our where was I? Resources. Yeah, here. Iron ore. Let's add the reward. And when you mine this iron ore, it will give you raw iron. And for now, 10 quantity is good, and it will give you 100% of time. So probability of 1. I think that's all the setup we need. Get reward when the resource dies. There is health manager, and it will call get reward, and it will destroy this object. That's good. Okay, I think we're ready to test this. So let's go back to prefabs. I need to do like this sort of edit extensions also for resources, because I hate like browsing these folders. Prefab building iron ore. Okay, let's put 2 iron ores right here. And remember, with pickaxe we should be able to mine it with 3 hits. So when I look at it, stone boulder. No. Oh, I know. I forgot the main thing. The resource data is wrong. So this resource is iron ore. Hit impact, why not? And it's not planted. Let's play it again. Have you used any tutorials for your inventory system? Nope. No. I tried to figure it out myself. Maybe with some tutorial it will be better, but I quite like it. So okay, so it's showing iron ore. That's great. Let's pick, for example, our X, and we should get the red X so that we can mine it. Yes, we can mine this iron ore. Nope, not doing any damage. That's good. I think in this chest we have some loot with pickaxes, so let's equip this. And yes, the X is gone. And now 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. Okay, it looks like a rock, but when you hover over it, it's raw iron. Insane. So let's destroy 1, 2, 3. Raw iron. Okay, let's pick it. You can see the icon is this water drop, and we have 20 raw iron in the inventory. Okay, I just lost it. This is bug with inventory. I don't know why it's happening. We need to fix it. As you can see, not perfect. It's just some UI bug that like replaces the item somehow. Okay, 20. Let's equip. And when I drop it, as you can see, I'm holding a rock in hand. It will be iron ore. When I drop it, it's raw iron. Okay, so we have the basics. We can easily expand this, like add iron ores and stuff, and we will probably do it at the end of the stream. But I would love to get started on the smelter, because I think it's a fun project. Well, we need to just think this through a bit, but hopefully we can get it done. I think we need to extend our recipe so we can add like the amount of time it needs to be smelted, and maybe required fuel, so you can smelt iron with, for example, charcoal, but gold can be only smelted with coal or something like that. Can tools break? Not now, but I think there is preparation to do it, so we can do it in some live stream. Item data tools, and we have max durability. Okay, so there is a beginning. We need to just implement it, so in every hit we deduct some durability from this. Will you do a tutorial for one you made? I'm really curious how it works. I'm not the best at doing tutorials. I will try to do tutorial on the editor extensions, and when that is good and people can learn from it, I will try to maybe doing tutorials for other stuff from this game, like resources and maybe inventory. Inventory is a bit complicated. I don't really like showing it, because I don't think it's perfect. Like, this is the whole inventory script, and then there is UI manager. But the gist of it is like you have array of items of some your class, and this class has an item and its quantity, and then our item is its name, image, prefab. So you can see all the items here. These are items, and item instance is, for example, x times 10 x's, 10 bit crops and stuff like that. And then you can define max stack size and just handle stuff when you add items to inventory. But there is more to it, but you know. I can maybe get to doing some tutorial. Any thoughts how you might control the ship to go up and down? Well, I think it will be, you know, the balloon we have in game. When I go to, I don't know where, here. Balloon, yeah, this. I think when you put furnace here, the steam will go up, and then with some lever or something like that, you can control the elevation. For now, the vertical movement, I think it's called up down maybe. Yes, up down. This nice thing. And we need to assign all of this stuff, because this is from like the first version of this game. Up down, we need to do rigid body. I think ship rigid body. The ship game object and the player game object is where. I'm not sure if this works, but it should. And this should have like this collider, yeah. And when I step to this, we should be able to go up. Let's just check. Okay, so I'm here. And yeah, as you can see, we are rising. So the some logic is there, and I can also put engine here, and we can go diagonally. So we are going up. I can steer it a bit. As you can see, the next island is a bit higher, so I just go here, and we are slowly rising. As you can see, we are going diagonally. So yeah, the basics are here. We for sure need the vertical movement, that's planned. We just need to figure out the mechanics. Wow, there is a lot of scripts. Yeah, there is a lot of scripts. That's true. That's true. So yeah, we got to the island that was way higher than we used to be. Then I can turn off the engine and I'm here. So yeah, again, basics there. Look at this. I didn't... Yeah, now it's in my slot. Is it drag and drop or you have to click? Like this inventory is drag and drop. I can drag it to whatever slot. And even to my hotbar slots. Maybe you can make a flap on the top of the balloon and when close and fire is steady. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, Johan. That's actually a good idea. Thanks, man. We will try to do different stuff and we will see what works. This is good for like testing, but you can go down with this. The trigger is set like when you go there, the ship starts moving up, but for sure there will be some controlled movement. This is just showcase that it will be done. How do you go back to the ship? Well, for now, you can just jump. And when you get like so far away from the ship, you will be automatically teleported. So I could always jump from that island down. But in the future, there will be like this anchor, and you can climb the anchor, like the rope, and get back to the ship. But for now, this is the fastest and easiest ways to get back. What's up, Zach? Yeah, we can play Valorant later. Okay, I think we should start with the furnace. Let's do it outside of the ship, because why not? If you fall from the ship, is there any penalty, like loss of inventory items? No, I don't want you to lose inventory items. I want... I don't know. There should be some penalty maybe, but I think in raft there is no penalty. When your raft drafts away, like the wind takes it, there's always also wind in this game, I just have it disabled. You just get teleported back. So maybe... I don't know. Do you guys think there should be some penalty? I just don't want guys just jumping off the ship. Maybe some health deduction, like your health will be halved, so there is just some reason to use the anchor and not just jump from the island. What's the difference between inventory manager and inventory UI manager? Inventory UI manages the UI, so where can I show it to you? Hot canvas. Let's open our inventory. Let's unhide these things. Okay, so this is our inventory. Inventory manager like spawns these buttons, so we can have like not static bags and inventory. We can define exact amount of like slots in your hotbar and also in inventory, so when you get better bags, for example, we can easily with this UI manager like spawn all of the buttons right here, so it works. As you can see, it has slot UI prefab, which is the slot, and it has a lot of hotbar UI slot, which is different because it is transparent and it can be highlighted with the white outline and stuff like this. I like to, like, if you see, also I do this with build. I have build manager and build UI manager. I like to split UI with the actual logic to 2 scripts, so it can be easily managed by me. I find it easier to work with this. Perhaps you lose the raft and respawn on a random island. I don't know. I don't want you to lose the ship. I don't know. We will see. Equipped items, maybe hotbar items. Yeah, we can lose them. I don't know. I can also post the Trello. If you are not part of the Trello, you can join. I think somebody tried to link it. I will do it. Trello, just give me a second. Airship ideas. And I need to do, what do I need to do? Share. Anyone with the link can join as member. Yeah, copy. Guys, if you wanna suggest something, you can do this in this link. It's a Trello. I already, with the cool inventory, I already commented to this. Like, I use the sprite making bigger when moving. There is a lot of bad ideas. I will just maybe clean it sometime, but for now it's a great place. I try to check it almost daily. Fully cooked, I will remove that. I can maybe show it to you. This is the Trello. Cool inventory, as you can see, I used getting the sprite image bigger when you're moving it. So yeah, I commented on that. A lot of stuff, rain catchers, dungeons, Easter eggs, why not, watering can, yes, we have to do this. Merchant, polished islands, that's for sure, these are really bad. And I will remove this, fully cooked my mind. And a lot of these, because all of you guys want me just recreate the whole earth, and that's not happening. Thank you, I'm lagging as hell and it's the 20th time. I think I have disabled like posting links in chat, so maybe it just blocked you from posting. So yeah, some ideas right here. Make enemies that try to, yeah, enemy idea. Pigeon. So yeah, thanks for joining the Trello and giving some ideas. Okay. Smitu, that's cool, makes it cleaner. Do you really have to define drop area? When you drop an item, do you have to put in a specific area? The drop area is just like this whole background, so when I drag it from inventory to here, anywhere else from the panel, and drop it, it will be dropped to ground. Like all of these buttons have their own areas that you can drag and drop stuff, and this drop area is for like dropping stuff from your inventory. Okay, let's do something. Iron ore. Okay. Let's add a cube. And this cube will be our... let's add empty first. And this cube will be our smelter model. Yes. And this object will have... Okay, we need to create like new script for smelter. Let's create a new script. It also has to have... Goodbye, I need to eat, but continue like this. Maybe you'll see me next time. Thank you. Thank you, Amber, for joining. Thanks for being here. Okay, we have Smelter and we need a box collider. Yes, and this should be a bit bigger because this will be the interaction collider. Not that big. Yeah, good enough. Okay, and this is a tree. Oh, I don't know if I need this. Let's check, for example, our end. Let's check the engine. And engine has a box collider and it's not the trigger. Okay, so I don't need it to be bigger. I'll just leave it like this, and it is not the trigger. Let's go to the code. And to make anything interactable in this game, I create an interface interactable, and when I implement their members, yes, two functions will appear. The stuff we do on interact, and to get description. So return. This is just the name of the stuff that will appear when you look at it. So Smelter and interact is not implemented. I can remove these ones for now. And this is it for making it like to interactable for us. By the way, in my Minecraft 2D Minecraft, I already implemented collections, infinite generation, and mining. Oh man, you're good. Good job, man. Nice progress. I would love to see some screenshots. Okay, I forgot to disable in our HUD. I forgot to disable these labels. Okay, so when I aim to this, it's a smelter. Yeah. Okay. And when I press E, I should get, yeah, it's not implemented because we are throwing the exception here. Hi, Vultured Parrot. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Interact. So we need to open some kind of UI. But for now, I don't care about UI. Yes, I don't care about UI for now. Let's modify the recipes. That's a great start. Let's check how our recipe data structure is and what we can do to make it for smelters. Recipe open. So recipe is a scriptable object. That's good, and it has a list of requirements and public list of result. This is good. I just need to add like the smelting time, I think. Time to smelt is, I think, better variable name, and maybe fuel needed, stuff like this. We will see. Ruben, oh my god, you are here. Thanks for joining, man. I haven't seen you for a while. Thanks for joining. You are here, William. Thank you, man. You have a new PC for Unity. That's insane. That's insane. Good luck with the development. Hope the PC is good. Okay, so we need this. I need to extend. I will create a new class, and it will be like a smelt recipe. Let's do this, yeah. I need to like tidy this up. Thanks for following. Thanks for follow Emer Wolf Pixel. Thanks for joining the stream, man. Welcome. Let's open the C#, create new C# script, and it will be called Smelter Recipe. Because why not? Oh, you guys joined the Trello. That's cool. Zayflight and thanks for joining, Zayflight. Crafting. How did I call it? Smelter recipe, I think. Smelter recipe. Yes, I need to open this one up. Smelter recipe. When is the sculpting stream? Probably never. When is your coding stream? We need to join the game jam together. So you code, I do the modeling. is the item instance the script you specifically use for items themselves, like icon name, prefab? Yeah, item instance, like item instance, item data is the stuff you mentioned, and item instance is this data plus quantity. All right. Okay, smelter recipe, and we need to, our parent is recipe. And the stuff we will add is this stuff I typed here, so let's just paste it here for now. It's automatically scriptable object, that's good. And we need to add public float time to smelt for this item, yeah. And public item instant item data, yeah, fuel needed. Damus the hacker, welcome to the stream and thanks for following, man. I might see the live here on Twitch, so I'm following here too. That's cool. Thanks for joining the Twitch also. Fuel needed, because why not? And now I should, let's add this, add smelt recipe. And I think I can do this. I never tried it, so let's try this. Recipe slash. Okay. And smelter recipe slash. Yeah, let's try this. I'm not sure if it will work. Blah blah blah, I don't need this. It looks like it does, but let's see. Let's go to scripts, crafting, and here are some crafting recipe. Let's create. Oh yeah, it's working. I don't know how to type recipes. Recipes. Yeah. Recipes. New recipe. New smelter. New crafting recipe, and this is new smelter recipe. Let's save this and see. Yes, create recipes, new crafting recipe, new smelter recipe. Insane. Let's create a new smelter recipe, iron recipe, and we will need iron, raw iron. Yes, 1 raw iron, and the result. Okay, we need to create a new item that will be called just iron, not raw iron. And you can craft pickaxes, for example, with iron. Iron ingot. Iron ingot, and let's fill this stuff. Iron ingot. This arrow. And 64 iron ingots is good for stack size. Okay, so we were at the crafting object iron recipe, and we gave it raw iron, and it will give us iron ingot. 1 iron ingot for 1 raw iron. And it will take 2 seconds to smelt, and it needs fuel. Okay, let's create another item. It will be similar to iron ingot. It will be, for example, coal. Coal and item. This X, why not? Prefab, why not? Okay, guys, we are getting there slowly but surely. Iron ingot, and we will need to spell it coal. Okay. I like it. I like it. Yo, what's up, X-Drone? You got down for some Minecraft today? Let's play Valorant, Mark. Okay, raw iron, it will give us iron ingot with coals. That's a great start. I'm just thinking how to do this. Let's see our smelter. So the smelter will have a public list of all the recipes, smelter recipes, learned recipes, because you can learn recipes, you can find the blueprints. Okay, learned recipes, and then when I interact, for now let's just get the item I'm holding in hand. So it will be inventory manager dot instance dot I have zero idea. Let's check. Inventory open, draw prefab now. Selected hotbar item. Smelter recipe, nope. Smelter dot this. Okay. Item instance, item in hand. Let's save this for now, because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. CSGO is the way. No, it's not. Valorant is the way. Item in hand, so we have item in hand. Let's loop for each. Our learned recipes, and this will be a smelter recipe. Okay. And let's check if we have some recipes. So if the recipe dot requirements contains the item in hand, dot, well, this won't work, but we will see. On item in hand, yes, if this doesn't contain it, just continue. Let's continue. If it does, so we are here. We know we have some recipe that is connected with the item you have in hand. Back from school, Saka, thanks for joining. Lollapupka, welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, guys. And also thanks for liking the stream. I see 28 likes, insane, thank you. Okay, so we continue, and now we are sure we have the right stuff in hand. So when we press on it, let's create enumerator start smelting, and it will give, let's pass the recipe, craft smelting recipe, smelter recipe, and when we have this, let's start coroutine, and the coroutine is, let's do it like this. New How can I do this? Start smelting. I think this is the right way, with recipe right here. Yeah. And when this happens, just break. For now, it will only work with one recipe. The UI will be useful in this, but this is just first iteration. 29 to 31, insane. Thank you guys. And thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Okay, we started smelting. We have the recipe right here. Let's remove the item you have in hand. So I should call inventory manager that instance the remove item. And I need position and quantity. No. Don't I have some better function? Inventory count, no. Check recipes requirement, handle crafting. Remove item. Wow, let's make this. Remove item. Let's use this. Let's use this. Oh, I'm already using it. Something happened. Nervi, welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing. I have been watching your devlogs and your game is really cool. But can you do a building system tutorial? I can't find any good tutorials on YouTube. Well, I don't have really time for tutorials. I will try to make the editor script tutorial and we will see how it goes. And once it will be helpful for people, I can try doing the building system tutorial. It's not that complicated actually. Well, I can show you the basics. I use, when you open, for example, our foundation, I have these previews all around them. Let's open it. It's with all the possible location of new items. And when you raycast, the player hits like this foundation and I will just spawn new item you have selected in this position. Then I have like, when you select wall, it won't check these colliders, but it will check these colliders because these one have different layer. So I can raycast to different layers and then it will build walls here. This is for the snapping stuff. And if you don't want the stuff to snap, you will just instantiate, for example, this planter box. There is no edit colliders here. You will instantiate this in the position that it raycast hit, so you will get hit dot point, I think. Liquid Mark, hi man, welcome to the stream. Spiky, try Code Monkey tutorial. Yeah, you can probably find some tutorials. There are a lot of like good stuff on the YouTubes for free. A remove item. I should be able to like. Let's do this. Is this a possibility? No. No, I don't know. Should be public? Yeah. No, it doesn't rise. So we will lose our iron. Then we will yield return new, wait for seconds, yes. And we will get the smelting time from the recipe. We added it to the recipe, so time to smelt. And once it's done smelting, we will do another step. We will add something to our inventory. We will do inventory manager that instance that add item. Handle item pickup, I think. And this needs item instance. Okay, so we will add recipe that reward result. Yeah, I think this is the right one. And we will remove it, wait for a few seconds, then we will get new stuff. This is just super basics. There will be UI. There will be a lot of stuff. Like you can scroll through recipes. It will be similar to our crafting system. This is just the basics. Do you have any experience working for a game development company, or did you study yourself? I did study myself. I never worked for any company. What are you trying to do? I'm doing smelting stuff. I'm doing raw ores. We created earlier in the stream. We created iron ore. Great. Like the models will be swapped, but we have iron ore resource that you can mine with pickaxe. It has health 3 and 1 pickaxe hit will do 1 damage and it will give you raw iron. And now with raw iron I want to smelt it. This is our new smelter. It has new script attached that is called Smelter. And it also has some recipes. How to Nitty. Welcome to the stream and thanks for subscribing, man. We have list of recipes. When I interact with this, I have an interface, I interactable. When I interact, I will just get item that I'm holding in hand for now. After this stream, we can clean it up a bit, but I'm just trying to do the basics. Go through recipes. If it's not our recipe, just continue. And if it is, start coroutine. And we edit new smelter recipe, which is children of recipe, and we added a few stuff like time to smelt and fuel needed. We are not using this one, and maybe we won't in the final game, we will see. But for example, this is coal, and in smelter I just wait for that amount of seconds and handle new pickup. Have you heard of asyncs? I have. I never tried it in Unity. I did some async stuff in JavaScript. I never tried it in Unity. I saw some video that you can do it. I don't know. I'm just old-fashioned. I learned enumerators and I quite like them. We will see. Maybe I can change all the enumerators to asyncs. Thanks for the suggestion. We will see. Oh my god, I can't really pronounce the name, but Patrick, welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing, man. It really means a lot. Asyncs are pretty cool. I learned them a while ago. Yeah, I should learn them. Thanks for great suggestion. Okay, start smelting. We should try this. I know this is a problem, this one, because now it checks also the number of items you hold in hand. And that's bad. Okay, let's assign. We know one recipe, and that's the iron recipe. And iron recipe, let's modify it so we have 10 iron. It costs us to make 1 ingot for now. 10, okay, we will see. There will be some errors, I'm sure. Okay, in the game, we don't have pickaxe, so I can mine this, but it's an iron ore. I'll pick some pickaxe up. 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit. I should get raw iron, yes. 10 raw iron, which is represented by this white drop, because why not? I have to. Okay, let's do some. Okay. Sorry for this. I will add some debugs. Oh no. Let's just test it. We will see. So again, pickaxe, mine it. Raw iron. I have 10 raw iron. Now when I interact, this should be gone from my inventory, and I should get iron in 2 seconds. I think iron is represented by arrow, blue arrow. We will see. No, it's not working. It's not working. Let's debug this. And let's also make our life easier, and let's add raw iron so I don't have to mine it all the time. So to add something to our inventory, I can just go to the player, go to our inventory manager, items for sure, and this should be raw iron, 10 pieces of raw iron. So now when I spawn, I should have, yeah, I have already 10 iron in my hand. So this is true. Yeah, because it doesn't match the requirement, but why? Let's do some more debug logs. Oh, I'm playing play mode. We need to debug. Do you have a sorting game, or you will create one? Yes, we will create a sort. For now the X does damage, but that will for sure be sort. For some reason I also have trouble with inventory systems. I always make them, but because I'm a little perfectionist, I always end up making the system like 200 times. Yeah, I remade it quite a lot of times. I'm quite okay with this one. We can have dynamic hotbar slots up to the 10 because you have 10 number keys on your keyboard, and inventory slots doesn't matter. It's good. It can be always better, but I think it's good. Recipe that requirements. Let's print this. Console, clear it. Let's not maximize on place so we have full vision of the console. That doesn't help at all. That doesn't help at all. Okay, for now, let's do this. Just test the coroutine, and then I will get back to this. Go away from my inventory. Yeah, in 2 seconds I should get. Yeah, this is working. So I just need to update the searching logic. Okay, I have 10 iron. When I press it, it's gone from my inventory. You can see the notification, and I got iron ingot in my inventory. That's cool, that's cool. Your game looks very good so far. I love survival games with base building. Yeah, me too. Thank you, man. It's basically just the start, but I quite like it already. Okay, let's do this. Do another for each with all the requirements. Those are the requirements. And when this is item instance requirement, and if if our item in hand, that item is not equal to item in hand dot item, continue. Oh no. Let's do bool valid recipe to true. And this is false. And I now continue. I just want to break it. If one stuff doesn't like add up, it won't do the stuff. And this will only happen if we have a valid recipe. Hopefully this break only breaks from this first for each, so this still goes down. If we have valid recipe, let's do this and this. If not, just go to next iteration and search another recipe. I think this is better. We will see. Okay. Yes, it's working. Okay, maybe it's working. Let's, for example, pick rock, and there are no recipes that use rock. So now, when I press E, it shouldn't work. It shouldn't be able to like smell this. Yes, it's not working. Okay, so we can search the recipes. That's good. For sure need some UI. For sure need fuel. But I think this is a great start. We made some irons. We also extended this so we can change the icons. I quite like it. Just random icons for every building object. Some of you guys suggested that I should put a scroll bar here. I will for sure do that. I created a Trello task for this. Okay. I like it, guys. But I think this will be it for this stream. Let's check. This is... It's iron ingot, yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah, with this iron ingot we can make some recipes. Yeah, I like it. Love the progress. I need to go now, but I enjoy an hour of development. Thank you, man. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you have, yeah, you too. Have a great night, man. Very good progress today. Yeah, I think so. We can easily create new ores. Let's do this. Let's create a new ore, and this will be last thing in this stream. Okay, Lox, thanks for coming, man. Thanks for watching. Prefabs. Where are they? Prefabs, building, iron ore. This will be gold ore, because why not? And these cubes, let's assign some different material. Yes, this, yes, looks like gold. Not really. Let's duplicate this. Gold ore. Gold ore, and this needs 4 hits with pickaxe, and it will give us not raw iron but raw gold. Let's change the icon. It won't be wet drop, but it will be wheat icon, and this doesn't matter. We can change the stack size whenever. So let's assign the gold ore, and for the gold ore let's assign, it will give us raw gold. Yes. And this should be it, I think. Let's do... No, I need prefab. Prefab building, gold ore. Yeah, let's do this. Now when I equip this... okay, now I need pickaxe. Good. I have pickaxe. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And it's raw gold. And it's raw gold, yeah. Okay. So it's really easy to add more of these resources. And just for the test, let's add a new recipe that will give us raw gold. Gold ingot, sorry. Let's click here, iron gold recipe. I should call it like gold ingot recipe. Plus2Games, welcome to the stream, man. Thanks for coming. Gold recipe, and it needs raw gold. Then, because why not? And it will give us gold ingot. It will give us gold ingot, which is represented, but again something random. This X. Okay. It's pretty easy. I would love to make editor extension also for this, like creating resources. So it's just one click, but we will see. It will give us gold ingot. For this, it will give us 10 gold ingots just to test this quantity if it's working. and it will take twice as long to smelt. Okay, and we just need to assign this to here, so we learned also how to make gold. Yes. I think we are ready to test this. So, when I smelt this iron I have in hand, I will get iron ingot, that's good. Now let's pick up the pickaxe, mine this gold ore. Okay, let's put it here. It takes twice as long. Yes, I got 10 gold ingots. So I think it's working. Insane progress, guys. I really like it. We have the basics. Again, there will be UI, there will be like show you all recipes you learned, but I think this is a great start. Nice, thank you, Dams. Okay, guys, thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for being here. Hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, remember to like it. Top. Thank you, man. You are the best, guys. Kira, amazing work. Thank you, man. Thanks for being active also on the Discord. Guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, I will show you the last time. Here it is. Make sure to join. You are very helpful with the UI and stuff. And I'm also interested in your guys' projects, so in your work we can see some devlogs here, music compositions and stuff like this. Bye man. See you guys in the next stream. Bye. You can find the Discord link in the description of this stream. PNT. +2 is in the Discord. Thanks for joining, man. Hey, welcome. You added some cool ideas in Trello. That's cool. I will check them for sure. Thanks, man. Souk, Chavez. Thanks, see you later. Yeah, PNT, you are there. Thanks, guys. You are the best. Thanks for joining. I will see you in the next stream or maybe video. Bye. Maciej, I'm from Slovakia. I'm ending the stream. Bye.